Hey guys, welcome to Street Tech, and today I'm gonna show you on how to add more memory on your iPhone, or even iPad. It will do it. So yeah, there are a few options on how you can add memory on your iPhone or iPad. One thing is the sign up to iCloud, wherein you have to pay for that every month for a certain amount. Depends on what memory are you gonna go for. But this time I'm gonna show you this very little secret, which is what we call the SanDisk. Okay, yeah, so like this one, this is like a third-party company making extra memory for your iPhone or iPad or Apple product. Okay, so this is actually an easy way to expand and free the space on your iPhone and iPad. There's a tiny USB stick that has a flexible lightning connector that goes directly to your lightning port on your iPad or iPhone. It fits perfectly even if you have a case, so it's not too bad if you have it this way. Literally not too bad if you wanna leave it the way it is, to have more memory on your phone. Okay, and then on the other side of the lightning connector you have what we call the standard USB. That is a 3.0 to easily connect to your Mac computer or Windows computer, so you can easily move all your content if you want to. But this one itself, it has built-in memory, so it's not just like a USB lead where that goes to your lightning to your phone and a USB to the plug. It's not that way. So it has 32GB option, 64 and the 128. And yeah, so it's a little bit expensive, but you can, it's too pricey, but yeah, if you wanna get more memory, you can buy one of these. Okay, this is what we call iXpand. It works seamlessly with what we call the mobile app that you will need to download into your phone, where you can install it right away when you plug it in your iPhone or iPad for the first time. So that is the SanDisk. After you install the app and followed all the instructions, it's quite easy, you just need to read it. Yeah, that is the iXpand. So it's basically, once you opened it, you have the ability to go to your iXpand USB or go to your iPhone. So everything that you will have to your everything that you have on your iPhone can be able to move directly to iXpand, including pictures, photos, video, music, or any files as well. Yeah, it's really fairly easy to use. It has if you click the automatic backup, every time you will put this iXpand to your iPhone or iPad, it will automatically back up all your data from your iPhone and will be automatically in the iXpand. Okay, so if I can show you the iXpand, yeah, that is the home of it. So you copy more to iXpand, copy file, view file, backup, and restore. Yeah, it's really fairly easy to use. And then you can go directly to take photos or video directly to your iXpand instead of what you have taken. Like for example, if you take photo or video, you can save it directly to iXpand instead of directly to your iPhone. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, yeah, I'm just gonna show it to you here, that you can literally see what is going on to your memory. So this is the phone memory. I still have 15GB free, and then 31GB free for the iXpand. Yeah, it's fairly easy to use. It's like pretty much plug and play, and that's it. Yeah, that is one of the option. You can expand your iPad or iPhone if you want to if you need more memory, and it's easy access. So you just plug it in, put it in there, and then you can open up your files, photos, and anything. And also one thing is that you can delete all the photos and videos that you have backed up to this iXpand. You can delete it all from your iPhone, but you still have the copy on this iXpand. Alright, so it's quite good, and yeah, if you have any question about it, give me a shout, and yeah, I can try to answer that for you. Alright, so anyway, thank you for watching, guys. This is the iXpand, and yeah, don't forget to click the like button, and don't forget to click the subscribe button, and yeah, don't forget to give me a shout if you have any question. Thank you, and bye bye.